Maryanne. Today let's make a smoked turkey. So we're going to start out, I've got a smoked turkey here. We're going to spatchcock it, which is where you remove the backbone. And then you open up the chest so it lays more flat on the grill, our smoker. And I've got some dry rub, I've got a cup of melted butter. We're going to make an injection and we're going to inject the turkey. So let's get started. Alright, to start off we're going to remove the backbone.
So here you can see me pressing down on the bird. I'm breaking some of the ribs so that it will lay flat. I'm also trimming off some of the excess fat. Spatchcocking also helps the cooking process by not needing to flip or rotate the bird.
Now when I did the butter, I cooked it a little bit longer because I was trying to get it to brown a little bit, which I did, which really enhances the flavor. Okay, so that's our injection. The big old injection needle.
Now I'm just mixing the spicy rub into the melted butter for injecting the turkey. I do recommend that you go a little easy on your spices, because if you have too much in the butter it will clog up the bottom of your syringe and you have to kind of... This is really the part where we do want as much coverage all around the turkey skin as possible. Now we have the cooked bird. Since we want the meat to fall off the bone, we're going to wrap it in foil.
Alright, now that we have it covered in foil, I've left a little space here so I can pour in our turkey stock, and we'll finish rolling it up, set it in the pan, and we'll put it in the oven. Sounds good. Just pull the turkey out of the oven. I'm just going to cut it open and carve it up a little bit and give it a good taste. You can see that the foil packet didn't leak very much. All those juices got to stay in with the turkey. That is a beautiful bird, if I do say so myself. Alright, shall we taste it? Here comes the best part. If you've never smoked a turkey and have the ability to, you should really try it, because this smoked turkey is really out of this world.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining Crafty Maryanne.